Pinoy Kapalaran, Pinoy Kapalaran, oh, Pinoy Kapalaran.
Magandang araw mga ka-Zodiac! Welcome sa ating segment na Lucky Lotto Numbers. Halina't alamin kung ano ang swerteng numero para sa araw na ito base sa zodiac sign mo. Kaya mga ka-Zodiac, good vibes lang at palaging maging positive ang mindset. Huwag rin kalimutang magdasal sa taas para sa dagdag na swerte. Kunin na ang inyong papel at lapis at baka ikaw na ang susunod na lotto winner.
Habang pinapanood natin ang ating mga lucky numbers, heto naman ang isang inspiring story na pampagood vibes sa inyong lahat.
Liza Manlangit, a 42-year-old single mother from Davao City, had only one goal in life: to see her daughter finish college. Working two jobs as a cashier during the day and a laundry helper at night, she barely made enough to cover rent, food, and tuition. The dream always seemed one emergency away from collapsing. Her daughter, Mika, was in her second year studying nursing. Despite the financial hardship, Mika was excelling in her classes and even tutoring younger students to help with school fees. Liza watched her with pride, but also worry. How long could she keep this up? One rainy Friday evening, after an exhausting shift, Liza sought shelter at a small bakery. While sipping lukewarm coffee, she noticed a lotto outlet tucked in the corner of the shop. She hesitated, then pulled out a crumpled 20-peso bill. Wala na ng mawawala. She told herself and filled out a ticket using her late parents' birth dates. She didn't think about it again until the following Sunday night. Liza was doing laundry when her phone buzzed with a message from a coworker reminding her to check the lotto draw. She opened the results out of curiosity and froze. All 6 numbers matched. Her heart pounded as she triple-checked them, unable to believe her eyes. Liza had just won the 642 jackpot, 8.3 million. The days that followed were a blur. She claimed the prize quietly, refusing to tell anyone beyond her closest family. Her first act was to pay off all debts and secure a full educational plan for Mika, ensuring she'd never have to worry about tuition again. She then bought a modest second-hand car, not for luxury, but to make errands and commuting easier. She also gave money to her 2 siblings who had helped her over the years, sharing her blessings without fanfare. The rest she placed in a savings account under Mika's name, slowly building the future they once only imagined. Friends noticed she stopped taking extra shifts, but she continued her cashier job for a while, saying it helped her stay grounded. Hindi ko ito tinitingnan bilang suwerte lang, she told one coworker. Para sa akin, ito'y gantimpala ng tiyaga at panalangin. Liza and Mika eventually moved to a small but peaceful home outside the city. Their life became simpler, not flashy, but filled with less worry and more time together. Every Sunday, they still visited the church where Liza used to light candles and whisper the same prayer. Kahit konti lang, tulungan mo po kaming makaraos. The lotto win didn't change who Liza was. It only gave her the space to finally breathe, to dream, and to rest. Ang totoong panalo, she often said, ay yung pagkakataong hindi ka na kailangan mamili sa pagitan ng pangarap at pangangailangan.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at laging tandaan, hindi hawak ng mga bituin ang ating kapalaran. Gabay lamang ito. Meron po tayong wisdom at free will na pwede nating gamitin. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, i-click lang ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa ating daily horoscope.